Hello everyone, I'm back with another off-campus drive that is from Cancer. So let's see the eligibility criteria and the CTC that they are providing for this particular off-campus drive. You have about the Cancer company. If you wanted to get to know about the Cancer company, you can just go through this particular thing, and also you have the company website to explore more things about Cancer. So let's see the job description. The job description is all about, so you have a basic things. The job title would be the analyst, and the job type is a full-time employment, which is not an internship, and the job location will be in Bangalore. The CTC that they are providing is 4 LPA. There is no particular service bond, so that it will be a great opportunity to all the freshers. So let's see the eligibility criteria. The eligibility criteria is very important whenever you apply for any drive. So let's see this very consciously, that the particular eligibility criteria is only 2020 and 2021 pass out batches can eligible from the streams called BE BTech with any particular stream. There is no particular stream is eligible. Any streams can apply for this particular drive. And coming to the BSc, only statistics stream can apply for this drive. Next one is you need to have a communication, like excellent communication skills, and you need to have 60% in 10th, 12th and as well as graduation. And also people who have active backlog will not be eligible. If you have any backlog also, please make sure you will be completing it as soon as possible before the onboarding process. So the essential skill is, if you wanted to have an added advantage, if you have done a course on Python, machine learning, data analytics, you will be having an added advantage to grab a job. So the next one is the skills that they are requiring is you need to have a basic knowledge in data analytics, as well as you need to have an aptitude knowledge, and then you need to have an ability to analyze the problems. Okay, this was an analyst job, so you need to have an ability to analyze, and also you must be an problem solver. So the basic things, you need to have communication skills, also you need to have Excel or SAS or R languages. Like if you have these particular skills, you will be having an added advantage, as well as you must be having a good attitude as well as willingness to learn and organizing the skills. So these are the things, and just straight away going to the roles and responsibilities. The roles and responsibilities is the things that here. So if you join this particular company for this particular analyst job role, you will be getting to know all these details. And then coming to the selection process, you will be having 3 rounds, which is an online aptitude test which will be conducted in the platform My Anatomy. And then if you shortlist in this particular online aptitude test, you will be having a technical interview, and then after the shortlisting in technical interview, you will be having an HR interview. So the important guidelines is, if you meet the eligibility criteria that they given, then you will be getting the online test. If you don't meet any eligibility criteria that you are going to fill in this particular form, then you will not get any particular online test. So make sure you are eligible for this particular drive. And then after shortlisting in the aptitude test, you will be getting the interview process through your mail. So the further process will be intimated through your email. And the next one is the most important thing, they are hiring for the immediate joiners. So if you are eligible, like if you are happy to join immediately, you can have an added advantage. So let's straight away move to the application form. In this particular application form, so you just need to enter your email ID and then verify with your OTP that you got to your email, and then you can able to apply this particular form. So if you do not particularly enter this particular email, you cannot enter this details. So I'm just trying to click on this particular full name, but it is not highlighting to enter. Okay, you just need to enter your email and then verify, and then you can access this particular application form, which are very basic things like college name, active backlogs is there or not, percentages, all these things. Let's just see after filling this particular form. And yes, I'm back by filling that particular form. Just click on that particular checkbox and click on submit. After submitting, you will be getting all the further details to your email. If you don't get any email also, please don't be tensed. You will be getting an email whenever you get an exam. So that's all about this session. Hope it is helpful. If you do like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.